Hi John Key, I am really worried about my kids' education and falling grades. I wish there was one good academy that can take care of all my kids' education, who can help my kids with English, chess, maths, arts, DSAT, Hindi, Python and Java.
Of course, Ramya, I completely understand how you feel. I was just as worried about my kids until Savi recommended Prime Kids Academy to me. It's been a game changer for us. Why don't we visit and meet Madhuri, the Academy Councillor? She's a wonderful person and will happily address all your questions to ensure you feel confident about enrolling your kids.
Welcome to Prime Kids Academy. It's so nice to see you, Janki ma'am. How have you been? And who do we have here with you today? How can I assist you both?
Ma'am, I've heard so many wonderful things about Prime Kids Academy. I'd really like to know more about your academy, its history, the programs you offer, and how I can enroll my kids in a demo session. I want to make sure I'm making the best decision for my child's education.
Sure ma'am, at Prime Kids Academy we take pride in delivering quality education. We are parents' trusted name. We offer maths for elementary, middle and high school kids. We offer DSAT classes for senior students to prepare for their college admissions. We also offer English, chess, Hindi, arts, Java and Python classes. Let me walk you through each of our services starting with maths.
We offer one-on-one math sessions for elementary and middle school students, each lasting 1 hour. These sessions are personalized to focus on individual needs and learning paces. For advanced learners, we cover geometry, Algebra 1, and Algebra 2. We also have special batches dedicated to Olympiad Prep, Aptitude Test Prep, STAAR Test Prep batches catering to students aiming for competitive excellence. Families can choose between classes once a week or twice a week, depending on their preferences and schedules. Our teaching approach is built on the what, why, and how philosophy. First, our teachers explain the concept, the what. Then, they discuss why the concept is important and its real-world relevance, the why. Finally, they guide students on how to solve problems effectively, the how. This method keeps students engaged, curious, and excited about learning, fostering a deeper understanding and long-term retention of concepts. We also offer comprehensive DSAT preparation classes to ensure that students are fully prepared to achieve their best and secure admission into a good university. Our program includes detailed guidance on test-taking strategies to help students crack the exam with confidence. Along with subject-focused learning, we provide regular mock DSAT tests to simulate the exam environment and help students build familiarity with the format. All of our teachers are highly skilled and experienced in their respective fields, ensuring that each student receives the best support and mentorship throughout their preparation journey. We also offer Python and Java programming classes, which are essential for school students today. Learning these languages not only helps them achieve better grades in school but also builds a strong profile for college applications. Python, in particular, has become incredibly popular due to its simplicity and versatility. It's widely used in advanced fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and various other industries. Compared to traditional languages like C or C++, Python is much easier to learn, making it an excellent starting point for young learners. Java, on the other hand, lays a strong foundation in object-oriented programming, which is crucial for building more complex applications. Together, these languages prepare students for both academic success and future career opportunities. We are proud to be a USCF-affiliated chess academy, and we have FIDE-rated players on our teaching team. They guide kids through chess strategies, notations, and tournament preparation. Chess isn't just a game, it's an incredible tool for building focus, enhancing reasoning skills, fostering strategic thinking, and improving problem-solving abilities. Kids can learn it for fun, but it also opens up significant opportunities. If a student achieves a good FIDE rating, it provides a distinct advantage during college admissions. Additionally, this hobby can even turn into a side hustle, such as coaching or playing competitively.
What could be better for kids than having the freedom to express themselves on a canvas? You'll be amazed and proud of their vivid imaginations when you see what they create. At Prime Kids Academy, we nurture young artists and encourage them to explore their creativity. I highly recommend visiting our arts page on the Academy website to see the incredible art gallery. We like to call it an art galley of the young Picassos and Leonardos of the world.
Did you know that Hindi is the fourth most spoken language in the world? It's not just a language, it's a connection to our roots and heritage. At Prime Kids Academy, we believe in fostering this connection. Many schools even offer credits for learning an extra language, and Hindi can give kids that advantage. We go beyond teaching spoken Hindi, we also introduce students to India's rich cultural heritage. From learning about festivals and traditions to exploring literature and art, our program helps children appreciate and embrace their roots while building language proficiency.
That's wonderful. I've always wanted my kids to stay connected to their culture, but I wasn't sure how to make it happen. This all sounds so exciting. Looks like I have finally found the academy I was looking for. I have one more question though. Could you tell me about the background of Prime Kids Academy, the achievements of its students, the pricing structure, and how can we enroll for your free demo session?
Let me share a bit about the journey of Prime Kids Academy. Though we are a relatively young organization, established just 5 years ago, we have experienced remarkable growth. This success is rooted in our strong foundation, unwavering dedication, and the trust of parents like you who have placed their confidence in us. Today, we have a team of over 30 skilled teachers and more than 150 students from across the US. Prime Kids Academy was founded by a group of engineers, MBA graduates, and seasoned professionals with years of experience in education industry. We take great pride in our well-curated syllabus, which constantly get refined and updated through meticulous effort and feedback. This strong foundation ensures that our students receive the best education tailored to their needs. Over the years, we've become a trusted name among parents, all because of our commitment to quality and excellence. Our students have achieved remarkable milestones, top ranks in academic exams, prestigious awards in chess tournaments, competitive DSAT scores, and recognition for their artistic talents. We're incredibly proud of their success. As for the free demo session, it's simple to enroll. You just need to WhatsApp your name, your email ID, kid's name and grade and subject of interest, and we'll schedule a session at your convenience. This demo is a great opportunity for you and your kids to experience our teaching methods firsthand. As far as promotions and pricing is concerned, let me assure you, we are very budget-friendly. We offer a wide range of pricing options to suit different needs and preferences. Our goal is to make it easy for parents to choose the best plan that works for their family. Feel free to WhatsApp us with your requirements, and we'll be happy to discuss a customized plan that works for you. Additionally, we have several exciting promotions running right now. Prime Kids Academy is built on the trust and support of parents like you, and we acknowledge it with full humility. We offer multiple class discounts for families enrolling in several programs, the best-in-class referral discount for spreading the word, and a sibling discount for families with more than one child joining us. On top of that, we don't charge any registration fees, and as always, we provide free demo sessions so you can experience our quality firsthand before committing.
Wow, that's amazing. It's great to see an academy that values parents and makes education so rewarding and affordable. I'm excited to get started and see how my kids can benefit from all these wonderful programs.
Absolutely. Remember, we're just a text or call away, whether you're considering joining or are already enrolled with us. We're here to assist you every step of the way.
After 2 months of enrolling her kids to Prime Kids Academy, Ramya is feeling a sense of relief and joy as she enjoys a light-hearted moment with her friend Janki. Hey Janki. Thanks for recommending Prime Kids Academy for my kids, Ramya says with a grateful smile. The two friends continue their leisurely stroll through the park, pausing now and then to watch children playing or to admire the serene beauty around them. Their laughter and cheerful conversation are filled with a sense of peace and pride, reflecting their happiness in seeing their children thrive.